Salam, welcome to 7th lesson. I am Nuraghanuri, E-Education Afghanistan English teacher. Today I will teach you 10 simple and useful English sentences. Please be with me and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Like and share our Facebook page. Let's start the lesson. I have so much to talk to you. زه ستاسو سره ډېرې خبرې لرم. You just tell me what I asked. ته یوازې دومره ووایه څومره چې ما پوښتلي. Just have a look on your state. یوازې خپل حال ته مو وګورئ. I will be ready in a moment. زه به ژر آماده سم. He walks briskly. هغه تیز ځي. I am not tempting you. زه تاسو ته تانه نه درکوم. You become sad for no reason. ته بې له کومه سببه خوابدی کېږې. Joking apart, it is true. بې له مسخرو دا حقیقت دی. What nonsense. څومره یو بېمانه خبره ده. Do not worry about me. زما په اړه فکر مه کوه. Thanks for watching the video. مننه.